Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows computer step by step. Whether you want to temporarily turn off a specific feature or stop PowerToys from running altogether, the process is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys from the Start menu or by clicking its icon in the system tray. Once the application opens, you'll see a list of all the available utilities on the left side. Each feature can be managed individually without affecting the others. If you only want to disable a specific tool, simply click its name in the sidebar and turn off the Enable toggle at the top of the settings page. You can do this for utilities like Fancy Zones, Power Rename, Always on Top, Text Extractor, or any other feature you don't currently need. If you'd rather stop PowerToys from starting automatically with Windows, open the General section and turn off the option labeled Run at Startup. This prevents the application from launching automatically the next time you sign in, but you can still open it manually whenever you want. To completely stop PowerToys for the current session, right-click the PowerToys icon in the system tray and choose Exit. This closes the application and disables all active PowerToys utilities until you launch it again, and that's it. You now know how to disable Microsoft PowerToys, whether it's a single feature or the entire application. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.